Hello everybody, here I am Rianshi to tell you how to make a project on Tinkercad. I'm using code blocks. So in that my project is Space Rocket, as you can see here. Where is my cursor? So I'll explain you how to do that. First, take the option create project from modify. Here create project. Then add a shape, a cylinder for the rocket, and the radius should be 15, the height should be 60. Don't forget the edges, sorry, radius should be 15, height should be 60, sides should be 20, edges should be 0, edges step should be 1. Okay, then move it and at the Z keep 50. Then take the next one. Top radius of the cone should be 0. Bottom radius should be 15. Height should be 30 and side should be 24. And then add move of the next, here my cursor, and add the Z 95. And then once again add the cursor here. Top radius should be 10, bottom radius should be 11, height should be 20 and sides should be 24. Then move it. After moving it, just put the Z 10. Then once again take from the modify, create new booster. See, the name should be how to create okay, I'll tell you from here. I'll create it like rocket. You should be do like that. Renial name level, and you put what you want to put. I have put it's the upper part. You may put anything you want. Okay, so upper part, and in this I'll create the object name should be booster. So I'll put booster here. Add the copy of object. Okay, so in the data you will get here some. So I have take upper part here. I need to take a copy of upper part. In the upper part, then while doing that, add the scale. Scale means we are decreasing it, we are doing it small. And don't forget, add the scale. Put 0.25 at the X, put at the Y 0.25 and at the Z 0.4. Okay, while doing that, you may have a restriction. Don't put 2 times point. It will not show you the booster in later. Okay, let's get their words. Here we come to the next. Here we create new object and put the name rocket, because we are creating whole rocket, so we need to put the name rocket. And then add copy of object upper part, add copy of object booster, and then let's go to the next. Here we move it Y 20, Z minus 21, it's negative, the direction is negative, and then add copy of booster. And while doing that, move minus 20, minus 21 and add the booster all over booster, and the changes 20, 0, minus 20, minus 20 at X. Okay, so while doing, just see it and pause it and see it. See what you are, and if you want to draw it, okay, while you see here, why you can see 14, everyone is 20, and at the last 21 is similar to each and every. And at here I have kept for the directions of different places, so it's a square and a para, so it was a large calculation for that. So that's all for today. That was my project. You create your own project by my methods. You understand it? Okay, let's get and random see here. and while seeing it, it's my favorite ones. So let's do plus. Let's see it from more. Okay, I'll see it from front, top, and a little bit front. Okay, now let's see. Okay, the speed should be lower, and I'll make once again. First we got the cylinder, then we got the triangle, then we got the half triangle. Hey, any mistake there? Okay, here we got the boosters, and the boosters are making up. We have do the programming, so they are making up really very curiously and slowly, because I want to show you really harshly. So this is our main project you made. I've given it Indian color because I'm an Indian. If your country is different, you can give a different color to this. And thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye bye.